In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find two-factor authentication settings on Hubspot. As cyber threats continue to evolve, securing our digital spaces becomes increasingly important, and HubSpot offers a robust way to safeguard your account through two-factor authentication, or 2FA. It acts as an additional layer of security that makes sure only you can access your account, even if someone else knows your password. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the official HubSpot website. You can do this by typing HubSpot into your browser's search bar or directly entering the URL if you already have it. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Simply click on login and proceed to enter your credentials. Remember, keeping your login details confidential is paramount to maintaining security. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, look towards the upper right corner of the screen for a gear icon or the word settings. Clicking this will take you into the settings menu, where you'll find various options to customize your HubSpot experience. This is where we begin to zero in on strengthening your account security. As you browse through the settings, keep an eye out for an option that says security. It might be under the category of account settings or privacy settings. Select security to explore the security features available to you. This is your gateway to ensuring your account is as secure as possible. Within the security section, look for an option labeled Set up two-factor authentication or simply 2FA. Clicking on this option will commence the process of setting up this crucial security feature. HubSpot will prompt you to verify your identity in some way, ensuring it's really you making these changes. Next, you'll need to download an Authenticator app on your mobile device if you haven't already. Popular options include apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps will generate a time-sensitive code that you'll need each time you log into HubSpot, ensuring that even if someone else gets a hold of your password, they still won't be able to access your account without this second form of verification. Finally, once you've chosen your Authenticator app, follow the instructions provided by HubSpot to link it to your account. This will typically involve scanning a QR code with your app. Once you've successfully linked your Authenticator application, you're all set. Now, every time you log into HubSpot, you'll use your password and an additional code provided by your Authenticator app. And there you have it, your HubSpot account is now fortified with an added layer of security. Thanks for watching, and take care to stay secure.